Obi sat on the floor. Obi sat on the floor. If you watch carefully by our definition, we have on the floor as our prepositional phrase. Now, the question is, what is it? What is the function here? If you look at Obi sat on the floor, after, what does it come after? It is the word sat. And the word sat here is a verb. So it can no longer be said to be modifying a noun, and therefore it's an adjective. It's no longer functioning as an adjective. So it is now an adverbial. The prepositional phrase here is an adverbial, and that means it's an adverbial phrase. What is the function? Is at this point you have your subject, you have, okay, that is too high now. Let's make you see what we're talking about. Just we have this as a subject, we have this as a verb, then our prepositional phrase becomes our adverb. Telling you adverb of place. This is actually functioning as an adverb of place. Where did Obi sit? Obi sat on the floor. So here you simply say the grammatical name GN. You can either, grammatical name, prepositional phrase, then function, we'll now say as an adverb. As an adverb, if you like to say of place, describing the verb sat. That is the point. Describing the verb sat. So that is what it is. It's always good or better to pinpoint the verb or the noun something describes. So in this case, on the floor is describing the verb sat. Now we'll move on to example 4. If it was in a hurry. If it was in a hurry. Here we have in a hurry. Again, in a hurry describes the verb was. Tell you more about was. We can't stop at if it was what? In a hurry. So, in a hurry, which is a prepositional phrase, is describing the verb was. That becomes the function of the prepositional phrase.